India Reserve Battalion, Vijayapura. The iconic city of victory, Vijayapura, was established by the Kalyani Chalukyas more than 1,000 years ago. The birthplace of Jagat Jyoti Shri Basavanna. Kodala Sangama, the place where he renounced his physical body. The echoing Gol Gumbaz. The magnificent Alamatti Dam comes in the vicinity of IRB Vijayapura. India Reserve Battalion, Vijayapura, was established in the year 2010. The 100-acre campus now has facilities par excellence because of the gracious contributions made by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India and the Government of Karnataka. The state-of-the-art admin building has the offices of Assistant Commandants, Deputy Commandants and the Commandant. It also has a well-equipped auditorium. This elegantly architected admin building has a manicured garden inside. There is a fully fledged armory with latest weapons. There is a motor transport section. There are well-facilitated barracks. This magnificent parade ground is indeed a feast to the eyes. Here, there is a tasking obstacle course. Accommodation facilities for Commandant, Deputy Commandants, Assistant Commandants and RSIs have been constructed. Quarters with all civic amenities have been provided for 408 men on this campus. Adding to the beauty of this campus with herbal plants is Ekatavana. The well-illuminated campus looks absolutely mesmerizing even at dusk.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಗೃಹ ಸಚಿವರಾದಂಥ ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಜಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ, ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸರ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ that you are inaugurating the IRB unit in Vijayapur. It is a joint venture between Government of India and Karnataka, and now all the barracks building and quarters which are built by Government of Karnataka are ready for inauguration. I once again thank Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji and Honorable Chief Minister Sri Yediyurappa ji. Thank you.
ದಾರ್ಶನಿಕ ಬಸವಣ್ಣನವರ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿ ಮತ್ತು ಐಕ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿಯಾದ ವಿಜಯಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಬೆಟಾಲಿಯನ್ ಘಟಕವನ್ನು 2010ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಜೂರು ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಹಾಗೂ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳ ಈ ಜಂಟಿ ಯೋಜನೆಗೆ 105 ಕೋಟಿ ವೆಚ್ಚವಾಗಿದೆ. ಐ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಜಿ ಟು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ Vijayapur, for the inauguration of India Reserve Battalion, the facility which has come up in a sprawling campus. I thank Government of India for its generous contribution for building this facility. Thank you.
We take pride in serving the nation.